Hrithik Roshan is truly a Greek god. His looks make girls go crazy for him. And now after him, his two little cuties, Hridaan and Hrehaan, will be here to steal our hearts. Girls, just look at these pictures. Isn't it a treat for eyes? The little Roshans are looking so super hot, aren't they? It seems like Daddy Hrithik is giving them some lessons in style. In black, the three of them added colors to the Maldives beach. Father and son seem to have enjoyed a lot. We sure think they would be missing their mom, and we so wish the couple was together. For more latest updates, do subscribe to our channel Filmy Tadka.